in our previous class, we know how to accept the values from the keyboard. Along with that, we know what is scanner, what is the next int, what is sc, and how to take the help of next int by using sc. So let us move further by solve in order to solve few more programs. So in this class, we are going to solve the area of a circle and area of a triangle, where we will accept both by using uh, the values from keyboard. So let me take the first question as write a program to calculate the area of a circle. So first we have to write import java dot util dot scanner. Then we will go for class area of circle, then public static void main string args. Then we have to go for scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in. We know that area of circle is pi r square, and r is radius. So here, as r is unknown, we are going to accept the values of r. That is, enter the radius of the circle. Now here, since r is a radius value, I want to take as float radius equals to sc dot next float. So as I said in the previous class, that if you want to accept any float value, you have to go for next float. Then in order to calculate the area, float area equals to, let me make this one as 3.14 into radius into radius. So system dot out dot println area of the circle is area. So let me set the program as on the same location, that is java prg d drive java prg area of circle dot java. So in order to run this program, we have to open command prompt once again. Command prompt d drive cd java prg, then java c area of circle dot java. So now you are getting an error. So incompatible type. So what is the reason? We will discuss. Possibly lossy conversion from double to float. So if you want to accept any point value like 3.14 or 2.13, then all these values are either indicated as float value or double value. If you are writing any value as 3.14, then it is always indicated as a double value. Remember, it is always indicated as a double value. So double is having higher capacity to store a number more than the float range. Whatever range float is having, then double is having a range more than that. So for that, since we are going to indicate 3.14 as float type, we have to mention, instead of 3.14 as double, we have to mention f. So either you can go for small letter f or capital letter, it is up to you, but it is better to go for capital F. So 3.14 f indicates that now it is a floating value. So now if you will run this program, then it provides a success message. Say ARCLE. So area of the circle, that is 1.2. So we will get area of the circle is 4.52160007. So now the question is, can I display up to 2 decimal point? So obviously yes, but right now we are not going to discuss that. We will discuss on any other class. So the same answer you can provide by changing the data type. If you don't want to mention f, so it is double, because the double is also able to accept point values. So since the value is double, so here you have to make a change. Next, instead of next float, you have to go for next double, and here f is not required. So we will discuss in detail what is the range of float value, what is the range of double value, up to which much value the integer is allowed. So is there any other data type? So data type part we will discuss in detail. So let me run the program after making some changes. So the number of time you will change the program, that many times you have to compile the program, remember. So java c area of circle dot java. So now java area of circle. So you are getting the answer as correct one, but here you are getting a range more than the range whatever we have seen for float value, right? So again the same question is there, can we display up to 2 decimal points? The answer is yes, that we will discuss. So now this is the part which we have used for area of a circle. Now let me write another program to find out area of a triangle. So that is import java.util.scanner class area of triangle. Now it is public static void main string args. Now the same thing we have to write scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in, and here I want to provide the message, since area of triangle we want to use as half base into height. This is the formula we want to apply. So that is system dot out dot print, enter the base of the triangle. So let me take as float value. Float it is float base equal to sc dot next float system dot out dot print, that is enter the height of the triangle. Now float height equal to sc dot next float. So area equals to float area equals to half, this is the by symbol, into base into height. So that's why we will get the answer as system dot out dot println area of the triangle is plus area. So let me save the program as area of triangle, area of triangle dot java. So let us move to command prompt. Since I am on the same drive, I just want to clear the screen and I want to write java c area of triangle dot java, then java area of triangle. So height of the triangle is 2, sorry, base of the triangle is 2, height is 3. So now you are getting the answer as area of triangle is 0.0. Now the question is why we are getting 0.0. So it is because of half. So what is the formula we have written? The formula is half base into height. So what is the answer we have written here? Float area equals to half base into height. Like mathematics, it is not going to fulfill the entire calculation at a time. So first it will take the help. First it will make a calculation of half. So 1 is an integer, 2 is an integer. So that's why 1 by 2. You are not allowed to divide the number in floating point. So that's why you have to make 2 zeros are 0. So this is 1. So 1 by 2 is 0. So 0 into base is again 0. Into height is again 0. So that's why because of half it is giving an error or wrong result. So for that you have to make this one as 0.5. So you have to make that one as 0.5 to get the correct result. That is 0.5. Control S, save. So now once again I have to compile the program. So just use your upward arrow out of the 4 arrow keys available on your keyboard. So you will get the previous commands whatever you have applied on the prompt. So now again you are getting the same answer, 0.5 as lossy conversion. So you have to make this one as 0.5 as float. So let me run the program. It is 2, 3. So now we are getting the correct answer. If you want to run the program by giving the float values, then you can provide this answer as Java C compile once again, run. So it is 2.4, 6.8. So it is the answer. So now we know how to get the result. Now the question is, can I provide the answer as 1.1 by 2? So you can write 1 by 2, but one of the value you have to make as point value. So if I will go for this 1 by 2.0, so let us check whether it is working or not. Since 2.0 is a floating value, you have to make as float. So let me compile the program. The number of times if you will change your program, that number of times you have to compile the program on your screen. So it is 4, 3.5. So any one of the value you have to make as float. If you don't want to make 1.2.0f, then 1 by 2, instead of that 1.0f. So it is 3, 2.6. So this is how the program is working in Java. So hope I will get the knowledge how to use your float value and where to use double value. So this much for this class. Thank you.